SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off iPhone is too close on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. There's a setting on your iPhone where if it senses that you're holding the phone too close to your face, then it can give you a warning that says that the iPhone is too close. This is a good way to preserve your eye health and minimize the risk of myopia in yourself or children, but if you find that this is coming up too often and you would like to disable it, then you can turn off the iPhone is too close alert by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Screen Time option from this menu, and then you can choose Screen Distance in the Limit Usage section. Now you just need to tap the button to the right of Screen Distance to turn it off, and then if you have a Screen Time passcode set up, you'll need to enter that to confirm. Now this button should be turned off, and now you'll no longer get that iPhone is too close warning that you had previously been getting if you were holding the phone too close to your face.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.